Okay, so I just bought a new Wi-Fi and I have to change the password with you guys. So I'm going to show you guys how to change the password. But first of all the information that you need is at the bottom of the Wi-Fi. Yes, so if you turn it upside down where you see the QR code and all those stuffs, that's where you can see all this. So the admin the IP address is very important. So with this Wi-Fi, this is Wi-Fi 6. So I have to IP address is this. So Wi-Fi 6 is 192.168.100.1. Yeah, so when you turn it upside down at the bottom of it, what you're going to see there is username and password. So the default username is either user admin or admin. So I have to try all these two, admin, and then the password is going to be admin. Okay, so let's log in whether this is that. Okay, so now you can see that it says incorrect now. Okay, all right, so the password was wrong, so let me type it again, admin, and then the password admin. All right, so ADMIN. Okay, so let me try logging into it. So this is it now. Okay, so now this is how it looks like. So let me no, thank you. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is to go to the settings tab to change the password with you guys. So let me move it to this section. So you could see the speed of the router over here. Now all the information, the necessary details that you want is being listed over here. Okay, so what you need to do is to go to this section where it says change password, right? So if you click on that, what you're going to do is your current password, just type in the current password, which is the admin, and then just type in your new password. Don't take Google's own because it's going to be very difficult for you guys to enter that into your device. So I'm going to use my own password, which is, all right, let me add this, and then okay, so if I like, I can display it over here and then hit on apply. So right now the password has been successfully changed. Now what I'm going to do is to just allow reconnect all the devices that were being connected to the router or the Wi-Fi before I can be able to use them again. This is how you can change your password with your Wi-Fi. If you like videos like this, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop an amazing video like this tech video, you will be the first person to be notified. See you in my next video. Stay safe and then peace out. This is Wi-Fi 6 and then the price was very cheap. Okay, this high-speed indoor router. So this is the box and this is how it looks like. Okay, this is how it looks like. Okay, it has inbuilt battery and all those stuffs because I was not being paid to advertise for them. So this is how it looks like. It can take up to 4 devices. Okay, this is how it looks like. So see my next video. Stay safe and then peace out.